Hi everyone. Today we are going to look into CTFs. CTF basically stands for capture the flag. These are basically exercises in which you, as an individual or as part of the team, are challenged to find and exploit vulnerabilities in a system to capture the flags or piece of information. Well, first of all, we have this application here, ctf101.org. We have different skills are that are listed here for different topics on forensics, cryptography, web exploitation, reverse engineering, binary exploitation. Basically, these are the different skills that you have to solve CTF. These they have different categories, binary exploitation and reverse engineering and all. So you can read about them a little bit on this website to get the basic idea of what all of this is about. Okay, next we have CTF primer, that is by Pico CTF. It has again all of these categories are listed here to get to know about the basic information to get started in CTFs. You can take your time to understand a little bit about all of these. Next, we have this GitHub repository here, awesome CTF. What it actually has, this is the list of the contents. We have different platforms to solve, how to solve them, different tools that are listed here, and some resources. These are different platforms, CTFD, we have ecoctf.rfd and OpenCTF, PicoCTF, Root the Box and all different platforms that you can use to host a CTF or play CTFs. Next, steganography, web, attacks, crypto, different tools are listed here, like tools that can be used to solve CTF challenges. We have the most famous CyberChef here, and similarly XOR tool, hash extender, tools for brute forcing and for exploitation, for forensics. So you can read about these from this repository. Next we are going to see different platforms. 247ctf.com, this is the best website for beginners. Like, the CTFs listed here are so simple to start as a beginner who have literally zero experience. Next, we have these 9 challenges in cryptography, the impossible user, my magic bytes and all. Next, some miscellaneous and networking and reversing. So take your time to solve these. Next, we have Over the Wire. Over the Wire is another awesome platform for CTF. We have Bandit, we have Natas. Like these are for some, you can say, a little for users who have intermediate level of knowledge. You can take your time to solve this, and always make sure to not just get a walkthrough and simply redo all the steps. You first have to understand these and always try to solve them on your own. You can take a little bit of hint from the walkthroughs, but make sure to solve them on your own. Next, we have archive.oo. It has again some of different CTFs are listed here according to different categories, harder challenges and then easy, and some starting points. Next, we have Pico CTF. Different resources are here. Again, some online lectures and then learning guides on different categories to start from. And then you can get started in the practice section to solve the CTFs. Okay, next we have Pentester Academy. Again, it has different courses. You can take your time to learn them, or you can just simply dive into the CTF. Next, we have XSS game. We'll discuss XSS on another video here, but you can come back to here to solve these CTFs on cross-site scripting. Next, we have Hacking Hub. This is another awesome tool on CTFs for hacking. And this is mostly basically focused on web exploitation. So take your time to solve these as well. By Nahamsek. Next we have CTF365.com. This is for more like our real world approach, where you can make your teams to solve different kinds of CTFs. Okay, that was all. Just a basic beginner guide to get into CTFs, to first learn from these different resources, and then to simply dive into the CTFs. Okay, that was all. Take your time and do good. See you in the next video.